good morning, good afternoon, good night. Whenever you're watching this video, what's up guys? Welcome back to Ben Mancha for yet another video. And today, we have a special one for you guys. Today, we have something for your room. You probably saw it in the title, so I'll just say it. You got the Kaws x Peanuts collab Snoopy. We're going to unbox that today. And today I'm going to do another type of vlog. You guys really liked the last one, the off-white hang tag video, the vlog type. I'm going to do that because sneaker YouTube now is kind of boring. You know, you just sit there and review something. You review a shoe, you review a pant. I'm still going to do those videos, but I'm going to do more, you know. I'm not going to make it boring. I'm going to make it fun, entertaining, and like this. I'm going to do a follow me around type of vlog. I'm going to do a vlog type and not just review the item and that's it. I'm going to do more than that. Because every sneaker channel I see is just reviewing it and sitting down and reviewing that. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to show you guys what I do throughout the day. And the next two videos, I will kind of do those, just a regular video. I'm going to do my sweatshirt and jacket collection. And I'm going to do, I don't know what my other video is going to be, but I'll figure that out today because I have to do that for tomorrow. So I have to film 2 videos tomorrow, edit 2 videos tomorrow. So yeah, let's go and see what I do throughout the day. So now I'm in my brother's room playing NBA. I played my career. I'm pretty good, but I'm just starting now. I've been playing for like 2 weeks on and off because I have so much to do. I have schoolwork and then I have to video edit. I have to edit videos and film videos, so it's really hard to play, but I play 2K whenever I can. So I just got the package right here. Let's go open it up. So let's see what we got. So we got this package here. Let's open this up. Tear this apart right here. This is a freaking huge bag. Let's see what we got. Woo-wee! First off, we got a Uniqlo magazine for the new collection right here. You have like jackets and coats and all that, shirts. Let's see. They have all the men's section and the women's section. Turn label, and we got the receipt. So let's take it out of the bag. Woo! If you don't know, now you know. Here we have it. The Kaws x Peanuts Snoopy collab right here. I finally was able to get one of these. I wanted the white one when it came out last year. The white one is sold out instantly. They restocked once, I think, and I was not able to get them. Now they go for like, I'll put it up here, I think they go for like $100 to $200. And then these came out, and then I struck out on it first time. Then I struck out on these when they first released, and then I finally got it now after the second restock. I'm so excited to finally have one of these. This is the all black one. I really like this one a lot more. I know on the white one you can see a lot more details, but this one goes for a lot of money as well. I think these go for like 80 to 90 bucks. I picked this up for retail, 100% authentic right there. $40 retail. You got the Kaws x Peanuts right there. And this feels amazing quality. So let's take a look at some of the details. Of course, the infamous X's on the eyes. You know, Kaws is a designer, and he puts those X's on all of the eyes. You got this nice, it kind of feels like a suede or velvet type of material right here on the ears. This is a very nice material. Very nice here. And then you got Kaws x Peanuts on the collar. You got this nice suede spot. And yeah, overall, this is a very nice piece to add to my room to make it more hype. And I got this because I'm trying to add more hype into my room. And I'm going to do a room tour pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. And I have another thing coming for my room. You guys are really going to like that. It is going to be amazing. I can't wait for that to come in. I think it comes in this week sometime. So I'll do that video next week sometime. So let's go put this on my sneakers shelf. So what I'm going to do is just move these hats over because I'm going to put what I got here. So move all this over. Got the bags and everything. So I'm moving all this over because I'm going to put what we got here. Put it right here. That looks nice. I'll show you guys. So this is where I ended up putting it. Very nice. You can see the ears are flapping all over to pat them down. But yeah, very nice. You can see I got the LeBron box. Another LeBron box. My Adidas Yeezy box and all my shoes. I will do a sneaker collection video. So I'm going to end the video off there. Hope you guys like it. I know it really wasn't that much of a vlog, but it was something. So look out for tomorrow's video, or look out for the video on Saturday and Sunday. And I hope you liked the video. And if you did, make sure to like, comment, and of course subscribe. And until next time, peace.